Let's get started with the fifth diagram. So in the fifth diagram will be problem, we'll be solving this problem. So let's get started. So in the fifth problem, first units, millimeter. Okay, next limits, enter 297 comma 210, enter zoom, enter all, enter next. So before starting here, so we have to select here front view. So this is the front view. From the front view we are going to start the diagram. So I will draw the front view. Okay, so diagram, front view. Okay, so first we have to draw a circle of radius 30 mm. So radius of 30, enter. Next another circle, enter, of radius 15, enter. Now you have to draw a circle, draw a line, so that for trimming purpose. Now trim, enter, over, escape, delete this line. Now auto mode on, draw a straight line of 60 mm, and this length is also 60, and this is also 60, over. Now you have to use region command, region, enter. So you have to select these objects, enter, region command over. Now we have to extrude, so I will use isometric. Now select extrude, first object, second object, enter. So this length how much? 20 mm. So in 40 this is 20, means remaining is 20. So this is 20, enter. Now if I convert this into conceptual, these two are different objects. Now we have to remove the material. So we have to remove the material, use subtract, click on subtract. So first object, enter, second object which we have to remove, enter. Now the hole will be created. Now if I click here conceptual, a hole is created. Now we have to extrude this. So again I will go for wireframe model, front view. So zoom out. Now I will draw one rectangle using this corner point. So this corner I have selected. So this corner, it's asking 60 comma 30, 60 comma 30. So rectangle I have created. Now again isometric. Now I have to extrude 20 mm. Now click on extrude, so it is asking select object, enter. Now this side 20 mm. Now it is created. Now we have to use union command to join these two. Now next, select union. Okay, so select the first object and second object, press enter. Now it is joined together and it is a single object. So it is a single object and it is created. So orbit, so the problem, isometric view, it is created. Okay, now if you want to bring this to the layout, so view standard, so first angle projection. Okay, now view base, model space, so select the model, enter, layout. If you want, I will create some point 5, enter, new layout. So this is front view, enter. Now top view, side view and isometric view. So this is the layout. Okay, so this is how you have to save. You have to type your register number, name and convert into PDF and save. Give the dimensions and save it. So this is the orthographic projection. Thank you.